there is the ability to have reports. Now these reports have the ability to be set at a tenant level, date back 7, 30 and 90 days depending on your requirements. And what this essentially does is captures key events that have occurred over that period of time. We can see here that we've had one drift occur, the two remediations in which they were both the property level restore and the resource level restore, that there is 0 outstanding, there is 1 monitored area over a possible 15, and that there is 100% coverage associated to those areas baseline exists. We also have the ability to add an executive summary. Across this, you'll see that there will be a blue dot where it states that there's comment been added. In this case, we'll move down to drift history, and we can see here that from that, there is a user account that's had the drift occur. Remediation logs associated to what's happened, that it was a manual trigger. The coverage of baseline, in which we have only got user account and it is currently clean. And the current state. So that gives you an overview as to what's happened within the environment over that period of time. So in this case, we've got 3 members, 1 security group, and 2 application registrations. Once you're happy, generate the report. You can see here that our Acme security company, security matters, across the securing M365 tenant over the period of time, has recorded the following, adding the MSSP's name to the commentary section, providing you all the information you require. You then have the ability to download this as a Word or a PDF. All of this is trackable